Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing some cleaning and we are going to put up Halloween decorations. Lately I have been obsessed with this YouTube channel called Mr. Nightmare. I just turn these on. They're like scary stories and they're supposed to be real. Who knows if they're real or not, but they're very entertaining. So I just like to listen to these while I clean and just do stuff around the house because it's Halloween month. But yeah, like these stories, I don't know, some of them are pretty far-fetched, but some of them could be true. But yeah, they're very entertaining. You guys should check him out. So I am just going to start out in the kitchen and tidy up the dishes and load the dishwasher. I feel like that just is a great place to start because I feel like if my sink is clear, then it gives me motivation to clean the rest of the house. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start there, and then we're gonna move on to the dining room. I'm gonna concentrate on getting most of the fall decoration like kind of onto the table, and then once I get all the Halloween stuff out, I'm gonna put the fall decorations in the Halloween bin because I think I'm gonna end up putting it back up when Halloween is over. I haven't decided yet because I don't want to decorate for Christmas right after Halloween, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, you guys. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start tidying up the dining room and get the fall stuff put away. And this cleaning day is completely all over the place. I'm back and forth from room to room. I had no rhyme or reason to this day. So now I'm back into like the entryway of our house, and I'm just gonna clean up this little shoe thing and get it ready for the Halloween decor. I'm using my Method wood cleaner as well. For the other surfaces, I'm using this Mrs. Meyer's. It's like a limited edition scent. I wanna say it is like compassion flower or something like that. It smells so good. I don't even know if they have it anymore, but I got it from Grove Collaborative and it smells so good. So they should be coming out with their Christmas scent soon, I believe. The Halloween ones have been out for a while, so I am waiting patiently for the Christmas scents. If you guys aren't familiar with Grove, I will put a link down below if you guys want to check it out. You can get a free set if you click on my link. So now I'm gonna actually go ahead and start hanging some stuff. And if you guys noticed my Halloween leggings, I found these at TJ Maxx last week and they were only $6.99. So you guys should go check those out. They had some really cute ones. They had some sweatshirts too, but it is so dang hot here still, so I don't see any sweatshirts in my near future. And now I'm just going through and I'm gonna set my little centerpiece for Halloween. And this stuff we just had from last year. I wanna say most of it's from Dollar Tree. These skulls I know for sure are, and little candles. And I am going to be doing a couple more DIYs. That skull right there, I didn't care for the way it looked. So I am giving it a little bit of a makeover. And there's another skull that I'm doing a makeover on. And there's like two other things that I'm kind of just doing little makeovers on, so stay tuned for that DIY. I should have that up this week as well. And now we are heading back to the living room. I'm just gonna go ahead and tidy up in here a little bit and then vacuum, and I do already have the decorations up. I wanted to wait until my kids were not in the room while I cleaned because it is pointless cleaning when they are still in the room. So that's what I'm doing here, and then this is the last room I'm gonna show you guys cleaning, and then we're gonna give you a little tour. Alright guys, so here is the little tour of our decorations. This is what everything looks like during the day. I am going to show you guys what it looks like at night. It just gives off a totally different vibe, and I just love how it looks at night, but it doesn't pick up the greatest on the camera. I'm hoping you'll kind of get an idea of how it looks, but it just doesn't do it justice. So a lot of these decorations are from Dollar Tree. The nicer ones that you'll see are usually from Kohl's. I know that pumpkin is from Kohl's. But if you guys have any questions on anything, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments, and I'll try to figure out where I got this stuff from. A lot of it I've had for years and years, so I just kind of forgot where I got it from. But yeah, a lot of the stuff is from Dollar Tree. So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that my husband is completely obsessed with Halloween, and he picked up these little witches, I think from Lowe's or Home Depot a couple years ago, and they live in our living room now during Halloween. So I've just learned to love them and try not to get freaked out every time I see them when I walk in the room at night. And then these little boo signs I made, I just did a video on those a couple weeks ago if you guys want to check that out.